want to say that for me, I worked with Mzee. You know, I used to be his chief campaign manager for some time before he allowed me to go and stand. And indeed, you came to my send-off party at Pan-African Hotel when you allowed me to go and stand for elections as governor. I don't know in what language I can say. I worked for him for 10 years. I took Kisii County. I took charge of Kisii County for him. And we left it in good state. And the Kisiis were very, very, very sad. If you saw the number of people that went to the streets when Mzee passed on. But it is our destiny as human beings. There is not much that one can do. This is a journey that we must travel as human beings. And Mzee has traveled that journey. It's only unfortunate that he went ahead of us.